Hey folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. And that's my buddy Mitch. And he has his Rustler and I got mine, and we are at a pond, a frozen pond. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got really souped up Rustlers. Thanks a lot for tuning in on RC Overdose.
Godzilla, I'm a god killer. I rock a hot spitter, talking top hitter. Feel my tongue slither. I'm a SWAT wizard, never called quitter. I am not until I all when you villa over with a little bill. I'm a pacifist, basilisk, basking in the black abyss. Underneath your mattress, imagine this. Got massive tips, off acid trips, no magic tricks. I'm mapping this. The life is after it is when I'll be right where my passion lives.
Alright guys, you already know what's happening now. Wait for the chaos. Oh, that was nice. Oh, yo. Good thing you bought an extra one. Alright guys, so one of the skis just popped up, but this thing was already broken before and it was just re-glued because it hit one of the, one of those poles. So it was already broken before, but today was the day it snapped finally, so.
That's okay, I've got two extra skis.
Yeah, exactly. My brother's always stocked up on different parts.
I might even just re-glue it and
yeah, exactly.
use it as
try it out.
a spare.
Exactly. Yeah. So we'll be back with more content, guys. Stay tuned. And I hope you have a great day. Peace.
It's a play.